practice at 5 in the morning.
So how are you guys? How are you doing? I like this one actually, the meat sauce. It's really good, I think. Kaya lang, if it's too hot, man, I don't think it's good. Pero masarap siya. Lalo na if you put hot sauce to it. It's really good.
Tomato. I'm not a really big fan of tomato.
So we didn't go out that much in the past few days because we have to do so many things. But since today, I wanted to like really use at least one day of this week or 2 days for vlogging. Sarap siya.
I love the tonkatsu here.
Masarap, no? Usually mga ganyan, yung mga tonkatsu sa province, mga masasarap talaga. Parang kasing mas authentic yung mga nasa province, no? Mga authentic na Japanese food.
How about that one?
Sarap din. See one? Wanna try?
I'm fine.
Ay.